everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I'm going to be doing a PR unboxing video. So everything that you see in this video, brands have kindly sent to me for me to try. There's no contract, I'm not being sponsored, so I'm not doing dedicated reviews or anything with them. I'm just going to be opening up and showing you what's inside. A lot of these products are brand new. There could be some Christmas gifts or there could be some limited editions. I'm trying to think what's in there now. I know that this one from MAC, I had this a while ago and it should have been in my last PR haul, but I don't know what happened. I couldn't find the footage. I think I accidentally deleted it. So I'm going to be showing you now. These Maximal lipsticks, they came out a little while ago. Oh, I just got distracted. There's a little spider walking up one of the packages over here. These packages usually come out the blue, so they're complete surprises. I still get really excited opening them. I'm so grateful to them for getting in touch with me in the first place and asking if I'd love to be on their lists. It just means the world to me. But obviously, it's all down to you. It's because of you lot watching me, subscribing to me on Instagram and on here as well. And that's how brands see me then. And yeah, so if it wasn't for you lot, then this would not be happening. As always, a huge thank you to you. So let's start off with, I got a little Christmas present. Look, isn't this beautiful packaging? This is from the Organic Pharmacy. And they've sent me a little card here. To Claire, Merry Christmas. We hope you love your Christmas crackers. Best wishes, Team Trace and the Organic Pharmacy. Oh, they have literally sent me crackers. So we got a glow cracker, a brightening cracker, and a rejuvenate cracker. Inside the brightening cracker, it's wrapped up. There's a Niacinamide Ultra 5 serum for all skin types. And there's 5 mils there. And I got an enzyme peel mask to brighten and exfoliate. And there's 10 mils there. Inside the glow cracker, got an antioxidant face gel. And there's 5 mils there. And we got an antioxidant face serum as well. And there's 5 mils there. So there's those two. And then lastly, the rejuvenating cracker. We've got a rose facial spritz, 10 mils. I'll have to get that out and have a look. And 10 mils, this is a face cream, a double rose rejuvenation. It's a little face cream there. Let's have a look at the spray. Handy size. I love a mini to take away with me. Like for a night away, a weekend away or something. That's what I keep thinking all the time. So thank you to the Organic Pharmacy for sending these out to me. Okay, next up. Paula's Choice. Now I joined something online, I can't remember what it's called. Oh, it's new. I will pop a link to it down below because anyone can join it. And basically it's to be like an ambassador, but you're not really forced to do things and promote things all the time. Whenever I get an email and someone mentions be my ambassador, to become an ambassador, I think the one thing I don't want to do is to annoy you. Say if I followed a particular fashion brand, there was one that came out, Fabletics, I'm going to tell you, Fabletics. I just saw it everywhere. All the influencers online were promoting Fabletics all the time. I don't think there's anything wrong with the clothing at all. Nothing. Nothing wrong with working with brands. Nothing wrong with being sponsored. I do myself. Nothing wrong with that. But I just remember some of my favourite people I love watching. It was just Fabletics all the time. All the time. Whenever I saw them, it was Fabletics. And that is something I just don't want to do. So it's not like that. You're not going to hear me bang on about Paula's Choice constantly. I love Paula's Choice. If you've been following me for a long while, you will know I love a lot of their products. Their SPFs are amazing. I absolutely adore the exfoliating toner. It's my favourite, my number one, and it has been for a long while. So anyway, I'll pop a link down below if you want to join it. You do need to have an Instagram account, or maybe it's just TikTok and Instagram is the main ones. I think so. So because I joined, they sent me some freebies, which I got to choose myself. So basically, there's loads of campaigns that you can do. If I did a TikTok, for instance, showing you all these products, then I'd get points. The more points I get, the more commission I earn. I joined it just to find out more about the products and also so that I've got a discount code so I can share with you as well if there's any offers or anything like that. To cut a long story short, just in case you lot are thinking, yeah, come on, Claire. I'm not interested in joining. I'll show you the products I went for. I've got exfoliate, and this is Skin Perfecting 6% mandelic acid and 2% lactic acid. It's a liquid exfoliant, just like the BHA that I adore. It's a time-released 8% AHA multi-layer complex. It's for all skin types, improves skin damage, dullness and fine lines. This is a compromised skin barrier, gentle and effective for all skin types and tones. So I've tried little mini ones of these, but not enough to be able to form a good opinion, so I thought this would be a really nice one to try. A bit different to the other one that I use weekly. I use it about 3 times a week. So I got a pore cleanser. This is for blemish prone skin. Dissolves pore clogging oil, makeup and impurities, foam and gel, rinses clean without drying skin. It's 177 mils there. I got it mainly for the kids. I do have combination skin, and I've actually come out in 2 spots. I am on medication to control my acne, but yeah, I have come out in 2 spots. So I think it'll be one for all. We'll all be using that. And then this one, I haven't used this one before. This is SPF 50, 5% vitamin C sheer moisturizer with algae aminos, brightens dullness and helps prevent dark spots, weightless invisible hydration, and there's 60 mils. I do really like the SPFs, but I've never tried this one, and the fact it's got vitamin C in it, I think that is great. So yeah, so thank you to Paula Choice for sending those out to me. All right, let's get on to some MAC. This is Maximal Sleek Satin Lipstick. Oh, I knew that. I knew! There was a little note that came with it, and it did say that if I'd like to try any of their other ones, just to let them know. I'm a little bit too shy. I don't think I could do that. Oh, thank you for sending me your PR package. It was a really nice surprise. But can you send me some other colours? No, I can't do that. No. We got a dark brown. Look at that. I'll show you as we go along. See? It's like a plummy brown, isn't it? Definitely too dark for me. These lipsticks are beautiful. They sent me a PR package with a few of these ones when they first came out, and oh my gosh, they are stunning. I did a little reel on Instagram just trying them out, and they are beautiful. They're just so nice. They're satin, they're sleek satin lipsticks, and it's just a plain lip balm one there. So this darker one is called Film Noir. This one is Del Rio. That one's nice. Yeah, I like that one. This is Maraschino Much. That is a beautiful colour. That's stunning. It's so vibrant. Saint Germain. Going back to a little bit weird. No, not for me. And then lastly, Brave. So yeah. The pink one and the dark one is just not for me. But the 3 in the middle there, yeah, they're really nice. I like them. And then they've also given me, can you see there? The lighting isn't that great. It should be great because I got a brand new light, but it doesn't look that great on camera. I've got lip liners, got greige. We should go nicely with that one. And I've got Brick Olar, which is gorgeous. I love that colour. Yeah, so thank you to MAC for sending these out to me quite a while ago, probably about 2 months ago. Next we got the Inkey List. My daughter is obsessed with this brand, and she's obsessed with this particular product as well. They've given me a cleansing pad and their oat cleanser. I like this as well. It's the only cleanser that she buys over and over and over again, unless I get it in beauty boxes, and I have had one recently, so she's really chuffed. And obviously we've got another one now. So thank you to the Inkey List for sending these out, because we do love them. The oat cleansing balm, formulated for all, best for normal sensitive skins, remove makeup and cleanse sensitive skin. And yeah, there's 150 mils there. It's just a really nice balm. Leaves the skin feeling nice and clean as well. Yeah, we do really like it. And we've got reusable double-sided cleansing pad. I didn't know the Inkey List did these, unless it's just a one-off in the PR box. We also use these all the time. We go through loads of them. They're always in the wash. You've got 2 different sides there for a really nice double cleanse. So thank you, Inkey List. I've got Philip Kingsley. This is the first time I'm having a look inside. It looks like I got 2 different sets here. I've got Maximum Volume Hair Care gift set. Oh, I've seen 2 of my favourite products. And I got Styling Staples gift set there. So let's do this one first. Strands feeling flat and limp. Here is the solution. This quartet is ideal for fine hair seeking big root volume, body and smoothness throughout the lengths. Starting off with an elasticizer. This is a pre-wash treatment. You apply it to your hair, leave it on, rinse it off, and then you go in with my favourite out the whole Philip Kingsley range, the bodybuilding set duo. It's a shampoo and a conditioner, and it's particularly good for fine and limp hair. I do really like it. I got a frizz fighting, I can't talk. I got a frizz fighting gloss. It's a soothing serum. And there's 20 mils there. So that is the Maximum Volume set. Now on to the Styling Staples. There's 4 products in here as well. So we've got the elasticizer. This is a multitasker for all hair types. It's a pre-styling serum that preps the hair for styling and heat protection, and there's 40 mils there. Okay, what's next? We've got a spray. Perfecting Primer. This is a heat protection spray. 60 mils there. We got a frizz fighting gloss, same as in the other one. Soothing serum, and there's 20 mils there. And then lastly, we've got Bond Builder. This is split end remedy, and there's 20 mils here. It says repair broken bonds and seal split ends for visibly healthier hair. Results last up to 3 washes. So thank you to Philip Kingsley for sending these out to me. We've got 2 items left. Clarins. Oh, this is lovely. Clarins. An icon returns. The original iconic Clarins lip comfort oil is back in stock. After generating over 120 million views on TikTok, the viral sellout Clarins lip comfort oil is finally back in stock online and in stores nationwide. This nourishing lip formula is the ultimate skincare makeup hybrid, enriched with 3 organic plant oils to nourish, protect and comfort the lips with 8 hours of protection and 6 hours of hydration and nutrition. The non-sticky texture visibly plumps lips, delivering juicy colour and a glossy finish. There's 8 different shades and they've given me 3 of them, and I've only ever tried this one. This is the apricot one. Look. I do love it. I really, really love it. I've got a mini one somewhere. It is here. Oh, my makeup bag down on the floor over there. A little Clarins mini one. It just smells amazing. It literally smells of apricots. So it gives you a hint of a tint on your lips. I love lip oils. Much, much, much prefer them to lip glosses. I just think they're gorgeous. Yeah, I just love it. Then we've got 04. So it's a pinky one. What's this one smell like? Do they all smell the same? Yeah. Just fruity. Just a nice fruity smell. Can you see? Slight colour, isn't there? You can see difference there, orange to pink. Nice big applicator. So there's that one. And then the last one. This looks lovely. This is like a deep burgundy. And this is number 10. It doesn't have a name. Look. Oh, look. Oh, that is gorgeous. Yeah, really, really nice. Bit more pigmented or noticeable than the other 2. Yeah, I love that. And again, yeah, it smells all the same, just a gorgeous fruity smell. So thank you so much to Clarins for sending these out to me. I'm going to have one in the car, one in my handbag and one up here. So there's those. And then lastly, I forgot what's in here now. Oh yes, this is Clarins Double Serum Hydric and Lipidic System. I think that's how you say it. It's a complete age-defying concentrate. It just looks so smart, doesn't it? Another PR package from Clarins, and there's 50 mils there. Look how gorgeous it looks. All right then, let's see what it's all about. After winning 450 global awards, the Double Serum needs no introduction. Its iconic hydric and lipid formulation has pushed the boundaries of innovation and proactive anti-aging solutions since its launch in 1985. becoming a cult favourite across the globe for its powered efficacy. There's 5 new pure active molecules: so squalene and horse chestnut flower extract for nutrition, acetylated hyaluronic acid and organic leaf of life extract for hydration, vitamin E and Madagascan ginger lily extract for protection, and matrixyl 3000 peptides and organic African harungana tree extract for regeneration. So yeah, so thank you again to Clarins for sending this out to me. Those are all the products that I received over the last couple of weeks from different brands. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'd love to know if you've tried any of them, what you think of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.